Aha!
Aha!
I don't think he knew it was there.
Oh, it's a pear.
You want to take one out? Huh?
Do you see it? Should
Uh-huh.
I pull it down?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Got any big bird?
Oh, what's that?
Out for you.
Oh.
What's he doing? No, it's a guy. It's a man.
There's a big bird.
And he's doing something. He has a sponge in his hand and he has water. What is that?
Water.
What is the water coming out of?
A hose.
Not a hose.
A watering can.
Not water. Inside the house somewhere.
What does your daddy and mommy, what do they have in their bathroom that they take when they get all clean? Do they take a bath? They take a...
Shower.
Where's the shower?
And Paula's
Yeah, let's go.
over there.
Let's go!
Come on. Oh, you see?
Did you find anything? Did you find any treasure? Should we open this? Do you see something?
Do you see treasure?
On the ground?
Did you find the treasure?
Go in there and get it.
Did you find the
It's on the
treasure on the
ground.
ground? What do you see?
That way.
This one?
That one.
What's that?
That's the treasure.